Now Todd, do you feel like doing one on your own?
Why not?
Okay, take me down here. Just one?
Yep.
Now, I'm going to be waiting at the intersection. So don't forget to come back and get me. Alright?
Alright.
Don't forget to come back and get me. Now, there's a few things I've got to say to you, mate.
Yes.
I don't want you to do anything different.
Okay.
Okay? Now, the airplane will feel differently. Without my weight, don't you tell me I'm fat.
No, not at all.
It will want to get airborne earlier.
Okay.
Do all the same things that you've been doing.
Yep.
But I want you to promise me that you're not going to try and patch up anything that doesn't work well. If you get a bounce on a landing, full power, get out of there.
Yep, gotcha.
Don't try and patch it up. If at any stage it looks wrong, mate, go round. If you're unhappy on base, get out of there.
All right.
As soon as you see something that doesn't suit you, mate, don't put up with it.
Okay, gotcha. All right.
Have fun.
Bill, thank you very much.
We're going to send you off.
Okay.
I just want you to see what it's like weight-wise on your own.
Okay.
This little experiment, okay? Now you're going to lock that door.
I won't forget to lock the door. All right, thank you, sir. Okay, well, here we go. Bill has gotten out. I'm soloing. Okay, I'm making sure the trim is set. Everything is A-okay. We may as well do it. Here we go. Gotta tell you, I am a mite nervous, as you would imagine, but wow, what an exciting feeling. You know, for someone who's always wanted to do this all my life, wow, I can't believe it. I am in control of this aeroplane on my own. Okay. Maitland traffic, Cessna 172 Romeo November X-ray is rolling runway 26 for solo circuit. Maitland traffic. Airspeed is alive.
Traffic Cessna 152 Romeo November, Quebec is turning base for runway 26. Maitland traffic, touch and go.
We have climb attitude.
Maitland traffic, Hotel Uniform Hotel is continuing.
Power full, undercarriage fixed, flaps are retracted.
For the aircraft operating on 23.
Switches, landing lights are off.
Backtracking on 23. Hotel Uniform Hotel, mate.
We have climb attitude.
Copy that, thank you.
Temperatures and pressures are in the green.
Runway 17, crossing departure on climb.
Traffic Cessna Skyfox 7102, turning base.
Checking right, ahead and left, coming around.
Cessna traffic.
I cannot believe I am in an aeroplane on my own flying it. This is crazy. Crazy, I tell you. What's more crazy is that Phil's let me do it with his aeroplane. Wow, and you can really notice she climbs higher, quicker, with one less person coming around. Wow.
Ellerslie traffic, South X-ray, dock complete at 5,000, one canopy on climb.
1,100 feet. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, wow. Man, I'm on my own. This is craziness. Okay, just a little bit over 1,100 feet. Okay, checking right, ahead and left, keeping 2,000 on. Checking right, ahead, left, coming around. Keeping it on 2,000. My heart is going at 1,000,000 miles an hour, I've got to tell you. Okay, a little bit high, dropping around a little bit. A little bit high.
Traffic Maitland, the Hotel Uniform Hotel, lined up and rolling 23.
Okay, rounding out, I can see the runway. Still a little bit high. That's okay, let's take a little bit up. Brakes. Undercarriage fixed. Mixture is rich. Fuel is on and sufficient. Instruments, we have 1100. Switches, landing lights are on, hatches and harnesses are secure. Taking 10 degrees of flap. Wow, God, I gotta tell you, this is just the most amazing feeling. God. Okay.
Traffic Maitland, Hotel Uniform Hotel is airborne off 23. We're making left turn, departing to the West Maitland NDB. 700 feet at this time, on climb 2,500. Hotel Uniform Hotel Maitland.
Maitland traffic, Cessna 172 Romeo, November X-rays, turning base, runway 26 for a full stop. Maitland traffic. Taking 20 degrees of flap.
Maitland traffic, Sierra Papa Foxtrot, taxiing 23, Maitland.
So the question is, Todd, what have you forgotten? What have you forgotten? Hopefully nothing.
Cessna traffic, Cessna 152, Hotel Uniform Zulu, departing crosswind, passing 1,000, correction, 2,200 on climb, 2,500 tracking southeast, that's on.
Let's keep a little bit of power on. Checking right, ahead and left. I still cannot believe I'm in an aeroplane on my own. This is lunacy. Coming around. Taking 30 degrees of flap. Okay, we're coming in. Well, this is a landing all on my own. All on my lonesome. Checking trim, staying above the trees a little bit. Okay, checking speed, she's a little bit wobbly. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright. Looking good.
Maitland traffic, Cessna 152, Romeo, November,
Down.
turning base for runway 26, Maitland.
Let's go back and get Phil. Not sure whether Phil wants me to go and get him, but I'll